What's up YouTube, this is JB, back with another Mustang video. Just got some more parts in, so it's time for another unboxing. If this is your first time on the channel, make sure that you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. But in today's video, we about to go ahead and unbox this right here. You know, if you've been watching stuff on the channel, you already know I ordered and got my front suspension in and rear suspension. Ordered my rear end stuff, and then of course this right here is for the rear. So the rear disc brakes from Wilwood, so you get to see which ones I got. And I got some other stuff, the steering wheel video, and I got some more parts in, so I got some more videos coming up. So make sure that you subscribe, hit that notification bell. But let's go ahead and get started on this right here though. Alright, so let's go ahead and start opening this. So I did order this through Quick Performance. So if y'all wanted to know who I ordered everything through, it was Quick Performance, and they did a good job. It was great help. So if y'all trying to get y'all's, you know, go ahead and order it from Quick Performance. But let's see, so they got some stickers. So this is a brake line kit. Fans, hoses. Caliper brackets. Let's see. Here's a caliper right here. And this here is the Aero 4. So beefy brakes right here. So 4 pistons for the rear. This is the other caliper right here. Drum piece. And here's the other one. Wilwood brake pads. So here's some more brackets, some bolts. And let's see what this is. So this is for emergency brake. So both of those. And let's see. Now for the rotors. So I went with 14-inch rotors all the way around, drilled and slotted. So bam. And then the other one is in here too. And then, of course, this Aero right here means that it goes that way, so rotates that way. But 14-inch rotors. Alright, so that's all the rear suspension kit that I ordered from Quick Performance. So that's the Aero 4 Wilwood calipers, 14-inch rotors, drilled and slotted, the brake line kit, and all the brackets and everything. So that's this video. And I do got more videos coming. So the front brakes, the rear end, new wheels, and some more stuff. So and I still got to drop off all the front and rear suspension parts to get powder coated. I don't think I told y'all what color I'm gonna do it yet, so I'm not gonna say what color, so y'all wait to that video. But if you're new, first time watching, make sure that you subscribe, hit that notification bell. Until next time, all right, peace.